This is Jacob from iReviews, and today we have an unboxing video with the Crazybaby Airbuds. A simple little product. Familiar with the wireless headsets and wireless earbuds that have been popular over the last half a decade or so. It is an earlier product in that line, so it is much simpler than the rest, but we can go ahead and get this open. The box is glued shut, so it's a little difficult to open it up. It's not going to be a clean opening, I can guarantee you that much. This is why we bring scissors. This is the box you should expect it to arrive in, same as I got. Pretty big thing for a simple little pair. Go ahead and get this wrapping off too. A lot easier. And from there, just need to slide it out. We have the product. Lots of little boxes to get through in order to get to this, but this is the main important part. And here they are. Get a close-up look at those. Simple little shape, won't stand out much once they're in your ears, that much I can say. Whether or not they'll fit well remains to be seen, but as with most wireless earbuds, they come with their own self-contained little charging station. It's a little bigger than other models I've seen, but as to be expected for how early it is. I will note that though it uses a simple to fine universal port, it does not come with one, so you will need to have one on hand, though. If you don't have one on hand, it is probably a good idea just to get one anyways, whether or not you're using this product. But for now, it's the initial look at it. Check the link below in this video in order to find a link to the main review and to further videos on my thoughts.